22101 banknote sorter is our accurate counting, sorting, and a compact banknote sorter. The hopper is our position of a putting banknote. The capacity is 500 pieces. The rejector pocket is an exit position of a suspected or abnormal banknote. The capacity is 100 pieces. The stacker is for receiving counted banknote. The capacity is 200 pieces. The number of a stacker can be set arbitrarily. The display screen is composed of one liquid crystal display, LCD, and one tricolored light. The LCD screen displays the current working mode, the number of a hopper and rejector pocket, USB disk network status. The tricolored light displays current working mode, red, alarm, green, normal operation. The four keys with the arrow in the left of LCD screen is the keys of cursor movement and function mode selection. The menu, enter, currency, and ask key in the left side is used for confirmation and exit function, also used for input keys of a digit 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 8 keys in the right side. Reset clear key is used for machine reset when a fault occurs in the machine. Batch key is used for setting the number of a stacker. Display key is used for displaying the counted banknote denomination information in the stacker. Start key is the key to control the machine operation. Adjusting the gap of feeding. The gap of feeding should be proper for left and right tension. Should not be too loose or too tight. The adjustment has a hole regulation and one side regulation. Use our slotted screwdriver or one coin to slowly rotating the knob on the top right side of the machine. The clockwise turns into big gap. The counterclockwise turns into small gap. Insert the power supply cord. Switch on. The machine will be self-checking if everything is normal. The machine enters standby interface automatically after running. If the machine is abnormal, it stops at self-checking status and report the error code. Selecting mode. In the standby interface, the default working mode is sort mode. We can change the working mode through operating the 4 direction keys on the key panel. Start to count G1. Before counting, make the banknote loose to prevent the banknotes filled with foreign bodies and cause the machine failure. Then tidy up the banknote and put into the hopper from up to down. More attention not to put the banknote tilt, otherwise cause more reject banknote or banknote jam. After put the banknote on the hopper, the machine will count automatically. The banknote will go to stackers separately according to setting working mode. Stop counting. The machine stops when the number of a stacker reaches the batch number or no banknote in the hopper. The default number of a stacker is 100 pieces. Reject pocket is 100 pieces. If you need to add banknote when in the counting, please put the banknote into the hopper. Sort mode. The sort function mode, sort version, sort mixed, sort ATM, FIT ECB. In the standby interface, press sort key to switch to a different working mode. The LCD screen will display the selected mode. Sort. Press sort key. The screen will display sort version working mode. The stacker receives normal banknotes. The rejector pocket receives suspected, abnormal banknote and other denomination banknote. Sort mixed. Press sort key. The screen will display sort mixed working mode. When setting sort mixed, the machine will sort the new and old grade according to our setting. The stacker receives normal banknote. The rejector pocket receives suspected, abnormal banknote and damaged banknote. Sort ATM. Press sort key. The screen will display sort ATM working mode. Sort version, ATM mode. The machine is automatic as a reference standard, according to first fitting note, sorting the new and old degree of the same denomination banknote. The stacker will receive normal banknote if sorting version. Receive ATM banknote if sorting ATM. The reject pocket will receive suspected, abnormal banknote and damaged banknote. FIT ECB mode. Press sort key to enter FIT ECB mode. Put the banknote into the hopper. The genuine banknote goes to stacker. Unfit and suspected banknote goes to reject pocket. If there is no banknote in the reject pocket, then put other banknote to count again. If there is a banknote in the reject pocket, when taking out the banknote from the reject pocket, the display screen will remind pass a second round. Take these banknotes into second counting. The stacker is for genuine banknote or unfit banknote. The reject pocket for fake note. Working mode version. The version. Intelligent version mode. In standby interface, press version key to switch to different function mode. The LCD screen will display the selected version mode. 1. Sort denomination and version (DD). Automatically as a reference standard according to a first fitting note, sorting the same denomination and version banknote. The stacker for the banknote, which is the same denomination and version as the first fitting note. The reject pocket for suspected, damaged, or other banknotes. 2. Sort denomination (VER). Automatically as a reference standard according to a first fitting note, sorting the same denomination banknote. The stacker for the banknote, which is the same denomination as the first fitting note. The reject pocket for suspected, damaged, or other banknotes. 3. Orientation. The orientation function, obverse up, obverse and reverse, up and down mode. The aim is to be the same face. In the version or mixed standby interface, press orientation key to switch to a different function mode. The fourth working mode, count. The sort function has sort, count mode. In the standby interface, press count key to switch between different mode. The LCD display screen displays the selected mode. Count. Press count key. The display screen will display count 1. The machine counts the banknote number and detect the banknote. The machine will stop and alarm when detecting suspected banknote. Continue to count when take out the banknote or press start key. Press mix key. The display screen will display mix. After finished counting, press the display key to display the number and value of banknotes. The basic setting of a machine. 1. How to set the number of a stacker. Press the batch key to enter the batch status. Then press the left or right key to add or minus 1. Press the up or down key to add or minus 10. Or continue to press batch key to switch to 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200. Press Enter key to exit after selected. The default number of reject pocket is 100 pieces. 2. How to set the sort grade in the daily operation. Press Menu key to enter menu. Then press Up or Down key to move the cursor to sort setting. Press Selecting key to enter. Move the cursor to the needed denomination. Then press Enter key to enter. Adjust the value by pressing left or right key. The bigger number, the more strict. After finished adjustment, press Enter key to reserve. 3. How to set the dust-proof switch in standby interface. Press Menu key to enter menu. Select one function setting. Press Enter key to enter function setting interface. Move the cursor up or down to 10 dust-proof. Press left or right key to change open or close status. When displaying open, it means the dust-proof is opened. When displaying close, it means the dust-proof is closed. After setting, press ESC to return to the standby interface. Collection system. It can real-time display the information of a device name. Collection time. currency type and value, serial number and reject banknote reason. After selecting the machine device number, the software interface can real-time display the current working status of the machine. Connecting the network port of the machine to the LAN. We can store the banknote information of collecting by the machine to server through connecting the network. We can do management operation in the server, such as collecting information management, collecting information statistic management, and realize the remote access server operation to understand each machine working status in the network. 1. Common problems and solutions. Banknote jammed. Troubleshooting. When the machine is banknote jammed, the display screen will display the prompt information. Do as below steps. Take out all the banknotes in the hopper. Switch off the power supply. Open 2. Take out the banknote in the channel of open 2. Close open 2. If could not take out the banknote from the channel. Open 1. Rotate the upper transmission wheel of channel. The jammed banknote will exit out from the channel. Take out the banknote in the channel of open 1. Close open 1. Open power supply. After self-checking of the machine, press Reset Clear key to reset. After running, take out the banknote if have banknote in the stacker. The machine will be in the normal status again. Maintenance. After operating long time, the dust will be attached. It causes the movement error. Please always clean. Attention! Close the power supply when cleaning and opening the machine. First, open 1. Use a brush or cleaner to clean out the dust on the transmission mechanism, authentication port and sensors. Close the open 1 after cleaned. Then open 2. Use a brush or cleaner to clean the dust on transmission wheel and around. Close the open 2 after cleaned. After cleaning up inner channel of the machine, also use the brush to clean the dust of hopper. Clean out the dust on the hopper and driving wheel. Please lift the reject banknote board and baffle when cleaning the internal dust of the reject pocket. Please use the brush gently wipe the inside of the machine, especially the sensor.